Okay, good morning mga taga-subaybay, ano. May mga magulang akong nakausap tungkol sa ang akala nila wala na ang senior high. So, ibig sabihin wala na yung grade 11, grade 12 nitong pasukan 2024 school year 2024-2025. So, nag-ugat yun doon sa ang akala nila yung sinasabi ni CHED Commissioner si Prospero De Vera, no, na yung ang issue noon ay parang nag-remind siya. So inayos kasi niya, no, kasi sa dyaryo parang nakalagay doon na uh, he was trying to advise the looks or SOOCs, no, ang tawag nila doon. SUCS, SOOCs meaning State Universities and Colleges, and yung LUCs, Local Universities and Colleges, to stop accepting senior high school students. So, ang akala ng mga magulang, yung nakausap ko, mga kasi hindi lang mga apat siguro sila ang nagtanong sa akin na akala nila wala nang senior high nitong susunod na school year. So, ipiniliwanag ko sa kanila na hindi totoo na o mali yung akala nila na wala nang senior high, wala nang grade 11, grade 12. So, meron pa din ang sinabi lang na nasa tawag nito, nag-presscon si Commissioner De Vera. Nilinaw niya na ang sinabi lang daw niya is he is advising the SOOCs and the LUCs that ang agreement ng DepEd and the CHED is meron transition period lang na the LUCs and the SOOCs o yung state-owned universities and state universities and colleges at saka yung local universities and colleges ay uh, tatanggap sila ng enrollees nung dahil sa ipinasa na senior high doon sa transition period. So pag sinabi noon ang looks at saka yung SOOCs, no, ay tatanggap pa rin ng
tumigil na early enough. Tumigil na sila. As I showed earlier, some of them stopped their senior high school program 3, even 4 years ago.
ang ibig sasabihin niya yung stop the program, meaning hindi ibig sabihin wala na yung grade 11, grade 12, kundi hindi titigil na sila doon sa pagtanggap ng enrollees ng senior high kasi nga wala na silang subsidy. O hindi na ibig sabihin hindi na sasagutin ng DepEd ang tuition ng mga bata. Yun ang ibig sabihin noon sa sinabi ni Commissioner De Vera.
The others stopped after that. Some SOOCs and LOOCs are offering only, only grade 12. No, some of them are still offering grade 11 and 12. So depende sa state universities and colleges. Yan, that's why that is the objective of the memorandum. Hindi po totoo na sinasabi ng CHED na itigil nyo na, wag na kayong tumanggap ng estudyante. Ang sabi po ng memorandum, wala nang subsidy, wala nang legal basis to pay subsidy for your senior high students. Then you have to discuss now what you're going to do for those that have not stopped offering it. For the SOOCs and LOOCs that have stopped offering it, the memorandum does not apply to them.
Kasi na meron na kasi mga LOOCs and SOOCs, no. O ulitin ko lang, yung LOOCs meaning local universities and colleges, yung SOOCs state universities and colleges. So yun yung sinabi niya na meron na kasing mga SOOCs and LOOCs na hindi na tumatanggap ng senior high, nag-focus na lang sila ng mga enrollees nila sa college nila, college courses nila.
Because they have already stopped offering SOOCs and LOOCs in their area already. because there may be no more legal basis to pay the voucher coming from DepEd, and also because DepEd is saying that there is already space and capacity in the regular high schools for the students to go there. And last, the Sooks and Looks also need the facilities for their students. Remember, the enrollment in Sooks and Looks have also increased because of free higher education. And some Sooks and Looks have extended their classes all the way to Saturday already. They also need the facilities for their higher education students.
Subsidy ng gobyerno, ng DepEd, para sa mga bata na mag-enroll sa kanila. Nakalagay doon sa usapan nila na sa transition period lang na nag-expire na noong 2021 pa. Pero hinayaan na lang dahil nga nagkaroon ng COVID, so hindi ini-implement yung legal basis na yun na DepEd will stop giving subsidies to the state universities and colleges at ganun din sa local universities and colleges. Okay? So, ang issue lang doon is, linawin lang, ang issue lang doon ay hindi na sila tatanggap ng enrollees ng senior high, grade 11 and 12 kasi hindi na magbibigay ng subsidy yung voucher ng DepEd, hindi na magbibigay ang DepEd sa mga state universities and colleges and local universities and colleges. Pero nandyan pa din yung grade 11 and 12. So meaning kasi kaya pinatigil na yon kasi wala nang subsidy. Should the LGUs and the SUCs tatanggap pa sila, nasa kanila na yon, pero basta hindi na bibigyan sila ng subsidy galing sa school pero galing sa DepEd, pero nagdidepende pa din yan, pag-uusapan pa rin ng DepEd, CHED at saka yung LGU looks or SUCs na yan kung kailangan nga ba magtanggap pa sila. Kasi ang paunawa ko sa paliwanag ni Commissioner De Vera na ang SUCs at saka yung looks, ang demand nila ay sa higher education at hindi sa junior high school. Okay? So, ang ang mandate nila is to see to it na ma-okay ang education sa higher education, hindi doon sa to support the junior high school, junior and senior high school na mandate naman yan sa DepEd. Okay, so ito yung may mga paliwanag si Commissioner De Vera tungkol sa mga isyung yun.
Will these students pay for their education? That is the question that has to be answered, and that is the question that the individual Sooks and Looks are supposed to discuss. That is the basis of the memorandum, to tell them the transition period is over. Okay, there may be no more legal basis for vouchers to be paid to you. What do you do now? That is the content of the memorandum. It is a decision that the Sooks and Looks will have to make.